guys, welcome to my Diwali vlog, and in this video I'm going to show you my Diwali shopping and then we are going to celebrate Diwali together. So for a second, turn off your live because you are watching Nikistic Live. This is my This is my OOTD. We are just going to leave and I'm going to take you with me. Really don't understand मैंने सेप्टेम रिंग क्यों पहनी जब हमें मास्क के घूमना है. Forget it. Right now we have just reached the market and now we are going to explore. This is the shop that drives me crazy. I really want to take each and everything out of here. Wow, आज लाइफ में पहली बार we decided कि हम घर के पास वाले एटीएम से पैसे नहीं निकालेंगे और बाहर जाके निकालेंगे. एंड यहाँ आने के बाद पहले तो एटीएम ढूंढते हुए मेरी हालत खराब हो चुकी है. मम्मा और ईशु एक शॉप में शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं और मेरे पिताश्री ने मुझे पिन गलत बताया था. आफ्टर एक्सीडिंग द 3 टाइम पिन लिमिट he calls me and he's like, that's not the right pin. Like, what the fuck? We are back home and mom got like really angry when she got to know about that. She was standing with a bundle of clothes in her hands and the bill was also ready when I reached the shop. वहाँ सामने मैं थी इसलिए गुस्से का शिकार मैं भी हुई हूँ, but still she's like completely prepared to have full Mahabharat scenes with dad today. They are really gonna fight. Like, she is really prepared. Anyways, so today we somehow managed to buy that stack because it would have been like even more embarrassing अगर हम वो भी नहीं ले पाते तो. So yeah, we managed to get that through online payment and all. But yeah, that was only 5% of the shopping that we did. So tomorrow we are gonna go again and we'll shop rest of the things that we need. As you guys already know, I have some really crazy friends. They are literally from some other planet. So you have already met them in my birthday vlog. They always like keep me in suspense. They'll tell me a little bit and then they're like, keep guessing. So I really don't know they are coming or not, but let's see. I'll make you meet them if they come. Look at these people. ये आ गए. And the third one. Guys, मैं फिर से व्लॉग कर रही हूँ.
पता ही है मेरे को. टाइम तो कैसा याद है जब अपन नहीं है और ये व्लॉग नहीं बना रही है.
तुम ऐसे टाइम पे आते हो जब मैं व्लॉग कर रही होती हूँ. मैंने आज का दिन भी व्लॉग कर रही थी.
हेलो गाइस.
Look at these people. ये मुंह उठा के पता नहीं क्यों घर चले आते हैं मेरे.
मैं तो चलो. बस. अरे मेरे को वो मैं रोड पे सोता हूँ इसलिए थोड़ी खा लूंगा. एक मिनट. हाय गाइस, सबसे ज्यादा औसम जो भी तुमको दिखने वाले उनमें से मैं ही हूँ. बस. What is up, bitches? That's toxic and stupid, you know. Completely toxic and stupid.
You please don't talk about toxic, please.
I'm not toxic. I'm just stubborn. I'm just stubborn. I'm stubborn.
तो कुछ कहना चाहेगा? I want you to say something.
खामोशी का सब सवाल है. Sorry, जवाब है. What is up? After watching Nikita's vlog for 2 minutes. For 2.5 minutes.
कर लो रोज.
Just एवे उतना ही है. अभी हो गई थी. ये ब्लॉग में नहीं आना चाहिए.
ये ब्लॉग में पक्का आएगा. Say something good about me.
नहीं पर
Why do you guys come to my home again and again?
Because we get to meet Hardik and I get to meet Hardik. Because I get to meet Hardik. मेरे को तो मेरे माँ बाप घर से बाहर नहीं निकलने देते, तो जितना दूर आ सकता हूँ उतना दूर आता हूँ. 10-20 किलोमीटर पड़ जाता है इससे.
Good morning. It's the next day and it's 12 PM. I know it's too late, but I slept quite late last night. Anyways, now I have to get ready and then we are going to leave for shopping again. After a really long time, we all are together. Like, अभिनव तो बहुत कम निकलता है. ये तैयारी नहीं होता घर पे रैबिट्स को अकेला छोड़ने के लिए. So today we are shopping together. Oh my god, that girl just don't want to do it, but these people, they are like forcing her constantly to get on it. Finally, she's trying guys. नहीं जीत पाई वो अपने पेरेंट्स से. Shit. Oh my god, बच्ची को टॉर्चर कर रहे हैं just to make videos. Shit. हैप्पी दिवाली. मुझे भी बोलना था क्या? गाइस ऐसे बेइज्जती होती है मेरी बस. शट अप. मम्मी. टेक 2 1 2 3. हैप्पी दिवाली. देखो ऐसे कराते हैं काम. So I literally never ever leave a chance to shoot in the sunlight. Right now I just have my makeup on. I have to put in my outfit. Finally we are ready, and this is the OOTD Diwali ready. सब सदगुण आता, सब
कैमरा मैन को रुक जा जरा, इधर से हाथ दिखना चाहिए. रुक जा. चल हाँ ठीक है.
फोटोज
दिया नहीं जला सकती है लड़की. देख लो सब. फोकस प्लीज.
That is it for the vlog, guys. So now we are going to have food, and there's a lot of pollution happening outside. I guess you can hear the noise actually. Yeah. So we don't like support burning crackers and stuff. We left that like 4 to 5 years ago only. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more vlogs from me, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And also now you can turn your light back on, because from the next moment you won't be watching Nikki's life.